Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to save posts on Instagram. So Instagram has this feature which allows you to save posts and you could always view them afterwards, later, scrutinize them properly for whatever means. It depends on you entirely. So we'd see how to save any post. So for example, I've got this post in front of me. What I would do is I would just select this option towards the right hand side, this sort of ribbon. I would just click on this and here it has been saved to my collection. So if I want to see my collection at any time, let's just save a few more images and then I'll show you. So I want to save this post as well. So I've just saved these two posts and okay, let me save a third one. Okay, so I've saved these three posts, and if I want to view them in my collection, what I would do is I would just go to my profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. I would just click on this, and in here I would go to these three dots, these three lines, which would now appear at the top right. I would just click on these, and now I would select saved, which is the fourth option from the top. I would just select this, and here now these three are my saved posts. I could just click on these, and here these three posts would appear. I could just click on one of these and then scroll down and see all of the saved posts as well, just like I would do if I was on my home page in my feed. uh, One more thing which you could do with your saved collection is that you could create mini collections, mini albums, sort of these mini albums which would contain some particular post specific to a particular subject. So I would just click on this plus icon at the top, and here I've got these three posts. I would just select two of these because these have to do with cricket. Now I would select next, and I could name this collection as cricket, and I would just select add, and here you go. So all the saved posts are appearing in this all posts album. The ones related to cricket which I have just saved are appearing in this particular collection which is called cricket. So this is how you could save any posts on Instagram and then view them.